cream.
What's up guys, it's me. Welcome back for another video. All my friends know that I'm a big fan of Selena Gomez. She and BLACKPINK just released a new single called Ice Cream, and I'm here to recreate Selena Gomez's look. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here's a picture. And if you haven't seen the music video, what are you waiting for? Go out and click that link because that song is bomb.
Coldest with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice is.
This is my no makeup face. You could see all my blemishes, my pretty big eye bags. What we want to do is cover all that up with foundation. First, I'm going to be starting off with primer. Marunong siya mag-primer, minsan lang siya mag-primer. I'm going to be using Benefit's Professional Primer. To be honest, I don't know much about primers, but this covers up all my pores. And I love it because I have so many pores. I'm going to be using Peripera Ink Lasting Mint Cushion on the shade of beige. Since this is a collab with a K-pop group, I figured, why not use my Korean products? Feel ko expired na sila kasi medyo matagal na to, pero wala naman atang mangyayari sa akin. Baka magka-pimples lang ako, pero marami naman ako pimples, so add that to my collection. So I'm just going to pat this on, making sure that I get some under my eyes, on my blemishes. Then I have my new favorite Tarte Creaseless Concealer because I don't have a lot of concealers, and this is the only liquid concealer that I have, so I look like that girl from Peter Pan. This is a look. Pero let me, sana natanggal yung eyebags ko, laki-laki nila, itim-itim nila. Natulog naman ng maaga, it's like genetic, so kapag wala kayong eyebags, tapos late kayo natutulog, kulang tulog nyo, you are blessed. Just kidding. Now I'm going to contour and highlight my face. This is VT Cosmetics B21 line contour stick. So I gotta like define my nose like Selena's. So she has like, I need to like draw an 11 so that I could have a thinner, slimmer nose. Kasi alam niyo naman, parang 11. Ganda, diba? Ay, hindi ako magaling mag-contour. I'm still studying. Since hindi ako masyadong nag-makeup. Wala akong time, kaya nga nag-expire makeup ko eh. Practice lang. Kung ano namang... Siyempre, diba hindi ko iiwan ng ganito. Okay, let's blend it out with my finger kasi wala akong tamang tool para dito. Okay, game. I'm using my old sponge. Bakit parang ang itim ng contour ng ilong ko? Bakit ganon? Then I'm using Crayola highlight kasi ito lang talaga yung highlight ko. If you do have any recommendations on what highlight I should be using, what highlight I could buy, feel free to tell me because I don't have a lot of highlight. Okay, but parang may something wrong. Bahala na. Baka maging okay after whole look. Madala siya ng something. Eyeliner, BYS. Ito na lang yung only eyeliner ko na hindi pa tuyo. So, what's up? Sobrang defined ng wing ni Selena. It's very long. Dapat pala mag-eyeshadow ako, no? I'll be using this from VT Cosmetics. Then use the lighter shade on my eyes. Then I'll be using my Tartelette Toasted Palette on top of my crease. Just like add a line and then blend it out. I don't know how to make a cut crease, so ang ginagawa ko na lang, nag-leave ako ng white space. That's how you try to hack makeup stuff. Sobrang light lang ng makeup ni Selena, so punas-punas kapag nasobrahan. Hindi man lang na tissue, diba? So I'm going to be focusing because I'm not used to makeup yet. Hindi siya pantay, pero pwede na. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Mag-drawing muna ako ng line. Drawing muna ako ng line, tapos saka ko siya i-connect. Okay, one eye. Yan. Mahaba siya. Mahaba kasing ginawa ni Selena. So like, pinahaba ko siya. And then, from that point on, dun ko siya kinonect sa center ng eye ko. Ganun ako mag-eyeliner. Hindi ko alam kung tama, pero Yun lang yung alam ko eh, so yay! That's my wing look. Then mag-mascara ako. Again, I don't have any other mascaras. I only have the Crayola one. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below because my first kind of like real makeup is like from Crayola and I should have bought something better than Crayola. If there's one thing I'm happy about, it's long lashes. By the way, I'm so proud. May damit na binigay sa akin like a year ago. Pero hindi kasya sa akin dahil so maliit siya, like a size smaller. Hindi talaga kasya sa akin. Kahit anong i-diet ko, hindi talaga siya kasya sa akin. So, I had to DIY it. I had to cut the length of the dress sa baba. Tapos, i-attach siya sa top. Para lang magkasya. And I'm so proud of it. This video, by the way, started from there kasi yung isang friend ko nakita niya IG story ko. Follow me on IG, by the way. Anyway, nakita niya sa IG story ko na nagsusuwa ko ng dress and it was a yellow checkered dress. So, sabi niya sa akin, i-recreate mo ba? So I'm like, pwede ko i-recreate. So this is that. Diba? Finally, like, I'm on a grind. Okay, next, lashes. One of my worst nightmares. Sige, ihuli ko na ng lashes kasi ayoko talaga siya gawin. Selena has like a red lips going on. Oh, wala pala akong brows. But di ko kaya yan. May pagganon kasi yung eyebrows niya. Hindi talaga ako mag-brows kasi ever since I was little, I have very, very, very thick brows. I never had the time to learn how to do brows. So, kinuha ko kay mama. Hi, mama! Pahiram. Okay, I'll try to draw like a straight line. Yung ano kasi ni Selena is like, tas, does that make sense? Yung nangyari ba? Kunyari meron na lang. Kunyari talaga meron na lang kasi ayoko na. Then for the lips, I'll be using Laneige. Gradient siya, but I like the redness of this. Diba? Bloody red. Since di naman bloody red, yung kay Selena, I'll be mixing it with another shade of red from Crayola. Diba? Ang dami kong Crayola products. Panoorin mo na video ko. Isip bata lang, Crayola pa rin hanggang ngayon. This is the best that I could do. Ayoko talaga mag-lashes. Ayoko talaga. But have to do it. Half talaga. So I'm just gonna put it on off screen. Okay, my eyes got way bigger with the lashes on. One last eye. Feel ko masisira ko to kasi palagi ganun eh. Pag maayos yung isa, nasira ko yung isa. Okay, an hour later, finally got this two in. I'm going to be putting a translucent powder all over my face because I am an oily person. Yes. Okay, try to do hair. Let's try to do the hair. Oh, dapat pag ginawa ka ito muna. Just grab a portion of your bangs to make that loop. So, my only problem is I have thousands of baby hair that won't cooperate with me. My hair has always been stubborn. Then, I'm just going to use a push pin to pin it down. And then just rearrange it afterwards. Yeah. Isa lang yung pin ko. So, kasi hindi ako marunong mag-style ng hair. So, ayan. Ayan, ang dami ko baby hair, diba? Kakainis. Ano ayaw talaga nila sumama. Gusto ko na nga sila i-mascara eh. Pwede pa i-mascara para lang dumikit sila. Okay, then I'm going to tie my hair up. I'm going to make as much volume as I can to tie my hair and then use a clamp to kind of put it in because I have very thick hair and it's really heavy. I don't have hairspray or a lot of hair products, so I'm just going to wing this. Maybe I probably should have teased it, but I don't like to ruin my hair because I know that teasing will like not be good for your hair thing. Nice. Then I look like a girl from 90s. Okay, I'm going to change to the top that I worked so hard for and that has actually inspired this video. Ano ba baby hair? Bakit ganyan? Ayaw mo dyan lang.
Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Hey, baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice
내